In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in HTML to enhance web navigation effortlessly. Anchor links are a fantastic way to direct users to specific sections of a web page without the need to scroll through endless content. This makes for a more user-friendly experience and allows visitors to find information more efficiently. Let's dive right into the process, starting with highlighting the text or button you want to transform into a link. This initial step is crucial because it identifies what users will click on to jump to another part of the page. Whether it's a specific line of text or a call to action button, make sure it's something easily noticeable and relevant to the destination. Once you've highlighted your target, click on the link icon, often styled like a chain link or sometimes presented as a simple insert link button, depending on your text editor. This action will prompt a dialog box where you can input your URL, directing the link to the chosen location. In the URL box, you're going to enter a hashtag followed by your section identifier, for instance, #section1. This serves as your link's destination marker. Think of it as naming the pathway that your clickable text or button will follow. You can customize the ID name to something more descriptive or meaningful as long as it correlates with its target section. Next, click on the code block where you want the link to lead. This refers to navigating to the part of your page you want users to land on. In many HTML editors, this environment allows you to see and edit the HTML source code of your page, providing the flexibility to set specific locations. Now you'll need to add an HTML ID attribute to the target section, creating a signpost for your link. For example, if you want users to navigate to a part defined as section 1, you would incorporate something like into the relevant location within your code block. This action tags that specific part of your page, making it recognizable to the URL you defined earlier. After setting up your anchor link and target section, it's time to save your changes. Saving ensures that your work isn't lost and transitions smoothly from the theoretical to practical application. Always double check that your elements are correctly linked, typographical errors are absent, and everything functions as anticipated. Finally, the moment of truth, testing the anchor link. By clicking on your designated text or button, verify that it effectively brings you to the intended section of your web page. This step is crucial for ensuring a seamless user experience, free from navigation hitches. And there you have it. With these simple yet effective steps, you can enhance your web page's interactivity and navigation by creating anchor links. Enjoy experimenting with them to craft a more dynamic browsing experience.